Historically, my most profitable day of the week is Wednesday. That's why it's spelled with an I, Wednesday. Let's go ahead and dive in and talk about what happened today and what I'm looking at tomorrow.
Hey traders from around the world, welcome to your Wednesday real life stock review. First and foremost, I hope everyone that lives in America had a great 4th of July holiday weekend and was able to enjoy time with friends and family. Markets are open. Today is Wednesday, spelled with an I. Let's go review some stocks that we traded today. First and foremost, I want to cover the loser, which was GRWG, GRWG. Now, I actually do like this from a swing trade perspective. This is a pretty good double bottom. In fact, you actually have like 3 or 4 double bottoms. This is a smaller one here, an even smaller one there, and you have like a much bigger one here. So I really like it. If we can pull back to the 45 and some change, could be a really good buying opportunity, I think. Weekly chart, overall trend looks really nice. I mean, great breakout, good pullback. Yeah, if you're into the pot placement situation, this could be a good buying opportunity, in my opinion. So anyway, I played this one for a day trade, talking about double bottoms, and here was what I saw when I saw it. This was the breakout. Now, thankfully, I didn't take the breakout. This is a retest gap with huge volume, but this is a double bottom here. So I figured, yeah, let me see if I can get in on a pullback on GRWG. And pullback we did. Definitely got in. So here was the boom. So this is not really what you're looking to see. If, of course, you are trying to go long, you don't want that much bullish volume immediately taken out with a close. So it did get filled on that trade, and got the entry was 49 cents, 51.49 with a stop at 50.49. And I tried getting out on this candle, wasn't quite fast enough because, again, that was really not what you want to see when you're getting on a retest, is that much of a retest that quickly. So anyway, long story short, got stopped out right there on GRWG, and I was glad we got stopped out. So that was the loss of the day. Here are the 2 wins that obviously made up for the loss. AMC. So I'm out of this trade as of right now, but when we got into it, this is what the setup looked like. And in hindsight, it's a pretty easy setup. But really nice bull upper shadow candle. I would have loved to have gotten in there. Check out this daily chart, by the way. This daily gap was a thing of beauty. There's really nothing stopping AMC. I mean, it's below this lower shadow. It's below the 10, the 20, the 50 is all the way down here. The weekly is, and the 10 EMA is forever away. The monthly is forever away. So you have all of those patterns, and it's just a really, really good open. I mean, again, the open of today was below that lower shadow. So all kinds of people trapped. So this was the setup right here. Getting in on a weekly $45 puts, buying them at 260, stop at 160, target 360. I did kick myself on this trade a little bit because I probably should have had my target at like 370, 375, something like that to make more than an R. I would have gotten it. This was obviously the target. Probably could have sold this one for an R&a-half right around here, but did exit the trade. I mean, again, you never get the exact bottom. I always, over analyze and just over stress sometimes about getting the perfect entries and perfect exits. It's never going to happen. So this was another situation where I could have gotten a little bit more, but hey, obviously a gorgeous win. The other one is the Qs, and when we got into this trade, this is what it looks like right here. So strong breakdown on the Qs, really good close below the support, below the lower shadows, all of the things. And that's beautiful. So next candle, all right, didn't fill this candle, right? That's definitely there. So it is in, and blah, blah, blah. And then we got a little bit of a rollover. It was the retest, and then boom. And again, same situations. I felt like I could have probably held for a little bit more of a gain on this one. That was a 1.5 hour win. You're never going to get the exact bottom. Now we're double bottoming on the Qs, and we're probably going to bounce again. Did the exact same trade yesterday, short on the Qs as well, getting short here after we closed below on there and took it short on the pullback. So same exact trade. And the reason I was looking for shorts is, well, we're at all-time highs, right? We've never, ever been higher than where we are right now, and we're up there. It's pretty high. So selling high, buying low is kind of what I'm keeping an eye on the Qs. But those are the 2 winning trades for the day trades. Some swing trades, I really do like Upwork. I am in UPWK with some size and some calls and some shares and all the things. If Upwork pulls back to 50, I will add to that position for sure. But I'm just going to sit back, relax, and kind of let it do its thing. It filled the gap with a nice lower shadow, good moving averages, good trends. Be long Upwork. I really like the name. I like the company. All is good. Here is CSX. CSX did have a split, and we took out this strong bearish candle with volume the other day, retested perfectly yesterday with a very, very nice hammer. So if you're playing CSX, I think long is strong on that one. WSM, same thing, perfect hammer off of the 100 simple. Ethereum, looking like we're getting a little bit of a bounce on Ethereum. The Momo indicator did go long on Ethereum yesterday, FYI. And these red bars is the exact crash that we got from May of 2017 on Ethereum. There's a lot of similarities here in this pattern. So I do expect a slow grind, a slow chop, and then eventually a little bit of a pop higher over time. So just be patient on this one and look to be in if you like making currencies grow. So that's kind of my thoughts on Ethereum. And I'll look at 2-3 more. Tesla did fill the gap. I think that makes a lot of sense. I did have some call sales on Tesla, bought some pullbacks obviously on this one, but the gap has been filled and I think some compression is going to happen. My buddy Tony and a few other advanced option traders are selling some credit spreads down here for regular July. And I think that's a great spot. If you like selling volatility and selling options, that's probably going to be a great area on Tesla to do that as it chops around and bangs its head around these long-term moving averages coming into earnings, which are early August. So that's Tesla. And then Apple is at a very strong resistance and right around this all-time high, the exact spot that it dropped back in January. Really good location on Apple to most likely get into a collar strategy, which is selling some calls, buying some puts, protecting the downside. And I would assume that you're going to want that to expire before earnings. And then when earnings gets here, you're going to do another collar over earnings on Apple. And then Amazon also has broken out, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. The breakout is here on Amazon. So buy the dips on this one. It's beautiful. Bullish on all time frames. Plus it's Amazon. So long and strong on this particular name. So many good things to review, my dear friends. I always love doing these videos for you. Feel free to throw in the comment section below what you would like me to review. I will be in Lake Tahoe next week for the real life trading retreat, but I'll get back to you on Friday for a trade review. Ladies and gentlemen, you are incredible. Let's continue to enrich lives. And also, fun fact, make sure you pop over to reallifetrading.com. And as you do that, you'll notice that we have on our website, we are launching the free week once again, July 19th through the 23rd. I am so thrilled, amped, jazzed, and excited about enriching so many lives. We do have a 4.9 rating on Trustpilot with 438 reviews, which is ridiculous, by the way. It's absolutely, we haven't even had a bad. 1 poor, 2 averages, 19 grades, 415 excellence. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. You guys are sensational. Thank you for helping us with our mission. I'll see you on Friday for a trade review. And until then, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.
All right, simply put, that was your Wednesday stock review. Thanks for watching. You are a wonderful person.